This is the Guy to Georgia Outdoors. My Uncle Tony's coming over with his dogs and we are running squirrels, so that's something different. I've had a lot of people actually ask me if I would make a video on this, so here it is. I've been blessed with 2 daughters, 10 nieces, but only 2 nephews, so I got them here with me today, and hopefully between the 4 of us we can get some squirrels down and maybe even do a catch, clean, cook.
Let's go. Here. Let's go. Come on. Ride him, Jack. Oh, let's go.
What you feeding these dogs? My goodness.
Thank you.
I see you. Come here, Logan. I'm trying to tell you, come here and prop on the edge of the building. Hang on, don't shoot yet. Don't shoot yet. All right, when you're ready. Miss. There he is. Look at that, boy. First one of the day. Right here in my grandparents' backyard. We just released the dogs less than 3 minutes ago. So we got one. That was a fast start.
Okay, give me a kiss.
Logan, go give him a kiss. There you go,
He's
boy.
a squirrel, man.
First one of the morning. I mean, Uncle Tony, how long does it usually take? That was pretty quick, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was really quick. That was good. I figured if these boys didn't, these dogs didn't do it this morning, these boys are rednecks, you know. We'd have to put them up a tree, shake a vine or 2, but they got him.
We willing to do what we need to do.
That's right.
All right, Logan, that's one. All right, put him in my bag, and we got to get Uriah on one.
All right, let's go. All right, buck belly. Got hit on something one time, man.
All right, we just had a heck of a run at a squirrel. It took us a while, and there he is hanging. Uriah just smoked him, but I wasn't able to get the shot on. Wasn't able to get the shot, but that's part of it. But you got him. Now we gotta get him down. All right, Uriah got him a squirrel, but he is stuck in the tree. So we're gonna see if Uncle Tony can shake him out, and there he is right there. There he is.
Good boy, good boy.
Attaboy, Uriah. That squirrel was tough. We went from tree to tree, shot him with the 22, shot him with the 20 gauge.
How many times did we hit him?
Probably a bunch.
22, right?
There's one at the bottom of him.
All right, boy.
Shot him with the 22.
Uriah, watch where your gun's at, bud. We're at our second location. We brought in the big guns. We got Uncle Tony with his gun now. We let Uriah and Logan get in on some of the action, but man, if after deer season, before turkey season, this is a lot of fun. Get you some squirrel dogs, or better yet, find somebody like Uncle Tony who has squirrel dogs, so you ain't gotta feed them all year.
Don't mind going around the world, my friend, as long as you got the squirrel.
You got the squirrels. All right, we just went to drop number 2 in less than 2 minutes. They already got something tree. We could see the squirrel from a distance. We're gonna try to get up on it.
Oh, boy, don't go in this side, I'm going in the other side. That way we can run it back and turn it around, please. There he is, right up yonder.
All right, we got Uriah, come with me. There he is right there. We got some distance. We're gonna wait for Uncle Tony to get around. Hang on, don't shoot till I tell you to. Don't shoot till I tell you to. All right, when you're ready. Shoot him again. Pump it, pump it. I think you got him. Shoot him again, shoot him again. Hang on.
He's hanging in there.
Shoot him. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get him. Shoot him. Don't knock him out. I ain't shoot no more.
There we go. I got another one.
There you go, boy. That's fun, ain't it?
Go, Jack.
Uriah, Look here for a second. Is that a
Is that a male or is that a male? Is that a male?
is that a male or a female, Uriah?
A male.
How you know?
Balls.
Where they at?
Okay, can you miss him, hey little buddy?
All right, grab him.
Ah, there he is.
That was quick and fun.
Start looking for him. Look at that jack go. See that one over there. You hit him, I see hair flying.
There he is. There he is.
Go, Jack!
All right, that's enough. Let him go. No. He'll fall.
Hey, go, Jack! Hey, go, Jack! That's that thing on some deer live in. Hey, go, Jack! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, boy.
Logan, there he is.
Hey, go, Jack! Get it, boy! Go, dead! Oh, dead! Dead!
Atta boy, Logan. Atta boy. We're back at the skinning rack. A good day hunting. Logan got 2 squirrels. Uriah got 2 squirrels, which are actually his first 2 squirrels ever. You know, it may not have been the best day, but it was a lot of fun, and it's a memory that we're going to share for a long time. And it is our responsibility to take these young guys out hunting and teach them the outdoors, because they're going to be the ones that are going to be buying license and ammo for the next several years. So it's kind of a responsibility of ours. We're going to get these cleaned. I'm not a product guy. This is just something I got for Christmas. I've been using my dad's for a very long time, so he got tired of it, so he bought me one. These are the Havalon knives with the replaceable blades. These are really handy to keep in your bag, so we're about to get these squirrels cleaned up. All right, they still got a ways to go, smelling great. Now you know you're out in the country when your basting brush is actually a paintbrush. This is that vinegar sauce that Drew gave us the recipe for. And we're just gonna baste these guys down. All right, let's shut her back down. All right, I got Logan and Uriah with me now. I have flipped the squirrel, basted it again. That sauce made like it's got brown sugar in it. It's made like a perfect glaze. So it's time to get these off. Look right there, man, that looks beautiful. Don't have any tongs or anything. We're doing it with the hands. We're gonna get them off the grill. I can go ahead and tell you that is going to be good. It's time for the official Guide to Georgia Outdoors taste test. A little tough. That's just squirrel. Pretty good. What's it taste like, Logan? What kind of meat would you compare it to?
Has some sort of like chicken to it.
I figured somebody would say chicken. Okay, here's my official taste test. You can see the sauce where it caramelized. You can see some red peppers on there, red pepper flakes. So here we go. That right there, ain't nothing wrong with that. Got a little hair, but that never hurt anybody. Man, this is definitely some of the best squirrel that I've ever had. Usually people say squirrel and rice, but I didn't want to do that. I'm trying to stay away from the rice right now, and I wanted to use the pellet grill. But that sauce, the brown sugar made like a perfect glaze on there. This is kind of like barbecue. I guess you call it barbecue squirrel, but I can tell you, it's good. That is excellent. I probably got sauce all over my face, and I'm sorry about that, but I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun making it. I had a good time taking Logan, Uriah, and Uncle Tony out shooting squirrels today. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. It's really growing, and I'm very proud of it. So until the next video, this has been the unofficial and no doubt incomplete guide to Georgia Outdoors.